Alright, hey guys, I got home from work today, went out lie down, fucking had a shower, washed my hair, got the dog yelling at me for no reason. Getting back to the car vids, haven't touched it in like a week or so, but here's what's new that I didn't get to film because I didn't even know it was happening, but Dad just fixed it anyways. Fixed the fuel cap, no longer a capless commo, so that'll deter probably 2 or 3 more cops. That's been, what, riveted down, so that's not flimsy as anymore. That's probably the most expensive thing on the car at the moment. Yes. Back to what I was doing. Oh yeah. Yeah, watch this, right? Fucking on there, brother. Right. And then we go like these. Pop the hood. Shut the door. Open this. There it is. This is what we're doing. Let me just swap you around. Taking that minging shit off, which is just noise cancelling, so it doesn't make heaps of noise from there with a truck battery. Heaps of noise from there, so that you don't have to listen to the motor. But being a car head, rev head, that's what we want. We want to be listening to that shit. So we'll be doing that. Probably straight piping it as well. We're gonna paint the cover of the motor. And yeah, we'll be fixing it all up and all that. And be casual as. I think we might go like black, maybe glossy black. It'll look cool as. But yeah, let's get into taking this shit off. I think I'll just be taking that off, and it shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, we'll get cracking. Gonna need a tool, like a screwdriver or something. All I grabbed for this was a big long flathead screwdriver, a pair of skizzers, and then a normal size flathead. And it's just gonna pry it in underneath the clips like that and then push it out like that. Down, and that comes out. That hurt. Let's do it. Alright, so what I decided against doing is pulling the actual clips out. I'll show you. See how you can see a little bit of fluff in there. That's still attached to the lip when it's actually out here. But yeah, I'm just going to leave them in, so for whatever reason I want it back, or I can buy a new one, and I got the clips for it. Not sure if it comes with clips if you buy a new one, but yeah, there's those clips in it, and then I don't have to buy more if I need them. So yeah, I'm just going to rip it out because it's coming out fairly easy. It's just foam, it's making my hands black, but whatevs. But yeah, we'll rip that out, and that's like a 5-minute job, to be honest. Yeah, we'll get cracking. The last bit I gotta do is snip that through there because I don't want to pull those lines off here and here, so I just snip through there like, and then that should be off. I got my clips there, which I'll clean up. I'll get all the foam and shit out from underneath it. But yeah, that looked good. Get rid of that. It'll be a bit louder, a little tiny bit. And then we have it, boys. Scissors, screwdrivers that we didn't need. Really wouldn't have needed these anyways, but take them off, and then that can go in here. thanks for watching, guys. This is my video part 2 of the Commodore. Just like to let you know that I will be keeping up to date with more videos. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. I don't really remember what I was saying here, and I purposely wanted to add in a audio or a voiceover just for the fun of it. But yeah, hectic skids, bursts, 2222, skirt, yeah, all that sort of stuff, you know. Comment down below. I think that was what I was saying at that point in my hands. You can barely see my face, but I'm in there. Something about a yellow tree with a big gum tree as the bloody reflection, leaning out. Yep, bang, ding. Ooh, yeah, getting out. Coming to press the off button, bang, and then yeah, and